I am currently packing to go to Italy. I am going on vacation and I am very much excited about it, but my room is in complete chaos. I have not yet decided on what I am going to take with me, just because I also don't want to overpack, but I also want to have like cute outfits, if you know what I mean. So I am just trying to kind of like make sense of all the pieces kind of that I've selected that I want to have like with me, but I still need to kind of like put together the outfits and see if they like fit with each other and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of like show you guys what I'm packing and all the outfits and so on. Yeah, also like all the small bags with all the cosmetics and chargers and cameras and all that stuff that I'm gonna take with me. So I thought I'll take you guys with me and you can also see what I am planning to wear. I'm gonna start kind of like with the easy outfits, being the dresses, just because they are easy to kind of plan ahead. Just you take a pair of shoes and then everything should be more or less fine. I am taking this one from Rihoas. I am taking this one from Zara, and I am also taking this one from Simple Retro because it's a very cute one. I think it will fit the Italian vibes. So yeah, I think that these three are kind of like a sure thing, and I can also wear them maybe for like dinners and, you know, just going out more in the late evening. Then I am planning this, so very simple t-shirt with a pair of linen pants. I think this will also be cute. I really like the vibe of this t-shirt. It's very vintagey, so I really like this one. This will also come with me. So next I am also taking one of these like crop tops, and this one I can wear not only with like linen pants, and I think it will still look like very cute. Something more like this, you know, like black on black. Very cute skirt. And I'm thinking of also getting these ones from Zara. Then I will also probably get this top here. This one is a knit top from H&M. It's a very cute one, I feel, and this I could wear with these shorts. This one I could also just pair with the simple like linen trousers. Yeah, and I think this would also look cute. So I'm also thinking of getting this vest, because this I can wear easily with the linen pants, and it's also very cute summery top, I feel. And I'm also getting this top because I also think that this is a very cute one, and this I can also wear with the black skirt that I showed before. And I'm also not 100% sure regarding this top, because I thought I could wear this maybe for like an evening if it's a little bit like fresh and breeze, but I'm not fully sure.
trees curl up and brown. The birds find warmer ground, and every willow finds its pillow. Waves relinquish sound. Although the skies turn cold and breezes followed suit, the autumn love that's cling to me will never bite the boot. I will not love again the way I love the one.